Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Casper. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about Casper. I'm going to start with this. ADA in 2021 had a circulating supply of 32 billion, still reached $3 plus, 3 times larger than Casper's circulating supply today, and still larger than Casper's supply 10 plus years from now. From January 2018 to March 2020, many exhausted and frustrated ADA holders called ADA a scam, and then boom, the bull run came. It took ADA over 1,000 days to break into a new all-time high price after being down 98%. Patience pays. Even 10 years from today, Casper's supply will only be 24.9 billion versus ADA at this time, which is still more at 32 billion. The future is bright for Casper enterprise adoption as well. And like I said before in many videos, I still feel Casper can hit $10 at some point. The WiseHeart platform, initially built on Casper, launches eTreeNFT.com, a marketplace for tokenized trees that offset carbon emissions, enabling a truly open data economy. And now we see Casper also tied to climate change, tied to tokenization as well. That's very big because that's where everything is pushing for the future. At some point, you're going to need carbon offsets for everything you do now. In case you missed it, IPW and Casper Labs are set to convert 25 million patents to NFTs, making it the largest enterprise blockchain deployment in history. And I know I talked about this in other videos, but I wanted to mention it again because this is massive. During the World Economic Forum meeting in Davos, IPW Inc. and Casper Labs announced the historic move to convert 25 million patents to dynamic NFTs. The announcement marks one of the most significant enterprise implementations of blockchain technology and the realization of a long-standing theorized use case for NFTs. IPW is a digital intellectual property manager company that provides IP services through artificial intelligence and blockchain. Casper Labs offers a business-focused proof-of-stake blockchain with a market cap of $401 million as of press time. This is going to be massive once they get this going. Hopefully, we could see some major price movement for Casper as well. Huge news. Casper Labs teams up with Google Cloud to enable developers to build and scale blockchain applications on the Casper protocol. And again, this is going to be something majorly big. Expanding our relationship with Google Cloud and further decentralize the infrastructure on which Casper Nodes runs gives developers even greater flexibility. This is a big milestone for opening and expanding access to Casper for the scores of developers that build on Google Cloud every day. As blockchain adoption continues to grow among businesses and governments alike, collaborations like this will be vital to delivering the truly enterprise-ready services and tools that allow developers to drive meaningful business outcomes with blockchain technology. I feel this is going to lead to a lot of building on Casper. By connecting your wallet on BitHotel or playbithotel.io and going to Casper Chain, you are now able to get on an allow list to participate in future collaborative releases. And again, it's non-stop growth for Casper right now. I'm telling you, 2023 looks like a very big year for crypto, but certain cryptos are really going to excel. I feel the utility-driven cryptos. BitHotel now supports Casper, the new fully upgradable modular POS network that is looking to be most customizable blockchain on the market. This is a big step for both the BitHotel ecosystem as well as for the Casper one, as BitHotel will be the first Web3 gaming experience fully embracing Casper and all it has to offer. Now you see again, Casper expanding into gaming as well. So Casper Labs joins Hyperledger Foundation. Now this I talked about earlier this month, but I wanted to show it again because it shows how big the month of February has been for Casper. Hybrid networks powered by IBM blockchain services and Casper Labs at Davos. And here we see again, in one hybrid blockchain success story that we showcased this week, IBM blockchain services together with our partner Casper Labs are trailblazing success together, leveraging hash time locks contracts to make organizations' workflows and transactions more seamlessly interoperable between blockchains. This means a promise of future trust digitization, wherein enterprise blockchain solutions are precision engineered for the Web3 world. That's going to be big as well. And then you take a look at the ecosystem, and this is one of the biggest things I see happening with Casper. So there's a lot of growth that has already been done. There's a lot of building that has to come on board, which is really going to push the price of Casper up even higher. I believe the next run for a Casper is going to be pretty epic. I still believe it can hit some very high numbers. I'm going to be conservative and say it hits $5. People are now saying it's going to go $10 plus, and I could see that happening as well. Casper Labs to support BSN smart cities in China, and again tied to smart cities as well. That was another big announcement. Now we're going to look at a review. Now this is from Crypto Reviewing, and I was surprised that they gave Casper a rating of 8.6 out of 10 because usually they're very conservative. So 2025 price potential $4.10, 100x. But let's take a look at the project. So rating 10 out of 10. Casper Network is a layer 1 public smart contract platform empowering creators, communities, and businesses to connect. Enterprise ready. Casper is private, public, and enterprise ready upgradable smart contracts 2500 T block. Utility rating 9 out of 10. Casper can be used for transactions, smart contracts, dApps, NFTs, staking, and more. Roadmap 9 out of 10. Casper plan a huge Casper 2.0 upgrade which significantly improves their network. Social rating 8 out of 10. Casper has 182,000 Twitter followers with 150 to 300 likes per tweet on average. And I believe that's growing. I believe a lot of people are starting to wake up to Casper, but it's still very overlooked compared to the rest. Tokenomics rating 6 out of 10. Casper has an infinite max supply. Circulating supply is 10.79 billion with 8% annual inflation rate. Partnerships rating 10 out of 10. Google, IBM, Chainlink, Hyperledger, Celsius, and Plasma Finance are some partners of Casper. Exchanges, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Gate.io, Hubly, OKX, and BitHub lists Casper. MEXC also has Casper, and there's no lockup period. It's the only thing I promote on this channel, and that's because I could buy my crypto there and get it off of there. Summary. Overall rating, 8.6 out of 10. Casper offer an enterprise-ready solution which is already being utilized by projects and companies in the real world. Their projects rely on sustainable long-term growth with easily upgradable features. Like I always said, because Casper makes it so easy to build, people will come on board and build. People don't like complicated, especially big companies. They don't like, if it's easy, they're all in. If it's hard, nope, it's not for them. But I showed you the breakdown of this token, and I showed you how it can easily achieve $3 plus. But like I said, it's just getting going. And I showed you the growth for the month of February. And I believe every single month we're going to see more of this as time goes on. I believe 2023 is going to be the year utility takes over. I believe at some point we could go on a full-blown utility run. And market cap or anything would not apply to that, in my opinion. I believe a utility run could go on for a long period of time. None of us know because we've never seen one before. And who's to say how high the prices can go on these cryptocurrencies? And that IBM partnership with Casper tells me it's going to be part of that new financial system. And I can't wait for the day that happens because I feel Casper is very undervalued right now and very overlooked. but some people are starting to wake up. And I hope they wake up before it's too late, because once this train leaves, I feel it's going to be massive. And a lot of people are going to regret overlooking Casper. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.